Hi, I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We got a little bit overcast today, but it's still a great day to be in Junction City. Today, we're going to look at a Newmar 2020. This is a 3341, 33-foot diesel pusher. Super short diesel, easy to drive. It's got the Cummins ISB engine in it. It's a New Aire, so it's a real high-end build. It's a gorgeous coach, full body paint, great storage. It's got the aluminum rims, the Alcoas, love those. They really help keep your tires running straight and true, not heating up and deflecting. We've got some great storage through here. I love how they're doing their middle storage. Both doors open up. Gives you really great access. It is a full body paint coach. There's no decals on this. It is a ISB 360 with a side radiator. So if you need to, you can really get in here and get access to the engine. You don't have to climb all over that radiator or anything like that. You can change your own belts. When you got the side radiator, it makes it easier for the people working on your engine to get to it. That saves you money. We love saving money. Now, of course, it's a Newmar, so it's got that great Newmar build. It's got the great Newmar slides. I love their slides. I've been in the industry my whole life, and I like the way they do this. On the outside, you can see this door. This is another one of those great Newmar things that they do. That's an egress door. You don't have to try to climb out a window in the event of something horrible happening. We've got side cameras. We got backup camera. We've got 360-degree camera view. We got cameras. We got lots of cameras. Let's go inside. Love the solid surface finish on this entryway here. Again, this is a 2020, so it's going to have the all digital dash. Both of our chairs are heated. 6-way power with footrest, so it's like having an extra set of recliners in your house when you get where you're going. It's a push button start coach. It's got two non-cabled cell phone charging stations, so you just set your phones on them. Great. I love the booth dinette. It's very comfortable. It's flex steel furniture. On the back side of the table and booth, we've got our pop-up TV. You want to watch TV, you push a button, it comes up. And it's straight across from the sofa, so I love that view. You're not doing the 90-degree head turn up towards the front. All electric coach. Induction cooking. Set the temperature you want your pan to be, and that's what temperature your pan is. If you want, you can flip these over. And now we've got some really nice cutting boards, so you're not cutting on your solid surface countertops. Again, short coach, gonna have a lot of amenities. Big fridge, brand new coach. Love this pantry. These are all pull-outs. They're all real wood construction. They come all the way out. You're not trying to reach all the way in the back for something. We've got what's called a split bathroom. We've got the shower on one side. Real nice finish in here. Nice seat. It's got the water saver program, so you're not wasting water to get to hot water. Love the drain in here. It's a nice full floor drain. Our bathroom, good sized bathroom. It's got a fantastic fan, both in the shower, in the kitchen, and in the lavy. They really did it right. Back here in the bedroom, we've got a nice cathedral ceiling, short coach, great closet, safe. This extra closet here is pre-plumbed for a washer dryer or storage. Some people don't want to carry around a washer dryer. They just want the storage. Love it. Queen size bed. This is a residential queen size bed with great storage underneath. Goes all the way to the wall. Lifts up with 2 fingers with these oversized struts. But they're not so oversized that they're going to flip you up in the middle of the night. And then on our passenger side in the bedroom, we've got a nice bank of drawers, just like you have in your house. You've got a dresser in your house. This has got a dresser built right in. Big TV, independent Blu-ray player back here in the bedroom. Latching, sliding doors, and you know, I could go on and on and on. This is a quick overview. I wanted to say hi. My name's Roger. I'm here in Junction City with Guarantee. If you have any questions about this coach or any others, give me a call. You have a great day. Thank you.